Yo, brother, it's time for us to start talking the real, man. We've been sugarcoating too much. We've got to start calling everything out for what it is.
Hey guys, I'm here with my master and I'm completing the installation of the side pads, and I'm using Velcro. And that's the purpose of this video. Now I've had the master for a while now, and I already installed the Velcro on the sides of the battery packs, but I ran out and I had to wait for my resupply to finish the job, and I thought I would show you that right now. I'm using industrial strength Velcro brand Velcro, and I buy this from Amazon. There'll be a link down below in the description if you want to get yourself some of this. I've been using it for years on all my wheels. The industrial strength part of this is not referring to the Velcro material itself, but is referring to the adhesive that they use. It's incredibly tough adhesive, very tenacious. Will not come off when you apply this tape to your wheel. Now, I highly recommend that you use Velcro when you're attaching pads or pretty much anything to your wheels. Inevitably you're going to have to remove the side pads that you put on your wheel at some point. And if you use a double-sided tape, it's probably going to tear, or there's potential damage your side pads. It's a real pain in the butt to take it off. Stickiness, of course, becomes less when you have to put them back on. So just bypass that step. When you're using Velcro, put the soft stuff on your wheel. That's the rule. Always put the soft stuff on the thing that you're going to be attaching other things to. Like for a wheel, right now there's exposed parts, right? And your leg or your body parts are going to be touching it, and it's going to be soft to the touch. If you put the hard stuff here, not the case. And that's pretty much the standard. So if you put the soft stuff on your wheel, any other items that you get which have Velcro attached, they should have the hard stuff attached to them, and you'll be compatible. Now, for my wheel, for the time being, I'm going to be using the stock pads on the master. I'm going to keep them, but I'm working on making a custom side panel that will have pads that fit my leg perfectly. And I'll be, of course, attaching it with this Velcro. I'm probably going to keep the bottom part for the functionality and the stylistic elements. I like that. But all this top part will be unique. I'll shoot a video on that. Now the Velcro is really great stuff. I just recommend you use Velcro when you're attaching anything to your wheel or to your clothes. Use Velcro. And once you attach it, it might initially seem a little loose, but once it's on there for a day or a ride, it just gets locked in. Like right now, I have the Velcro on this kickstand and two strips here, and it's not going anywhere. So Velcro is great stuff for use on your wheels. Okay, let's take this off so I can finish the job. So you can see I have the hard stuff on here. I need to add a piece here, and we can continue. So there you go, guys. Complete. Looks nice and ready for any other stuff I want to attach to my master. All right, so hope this was useful. If you haven't given Velcro a try yet, and you will, think about it. All right, guys, until next time, safe riding.